This message is transmitted at the request of the CDRSFS government, the CDRSFS Defense Branch, and the CDRSFS President, to participate in the National Emergency Alert System broadcast. This is not test. Repeat, this is not test. As of the last few hours of the night, there have been multiple police phone calls describing tall black figures with no visible facial features trying to break into homes and attacking citizens. As of 9:55 p.m. CDRSFS time, there have been over 12,390 phone calls to police of these entities. Currently, it is highly recommended to stay indoors and to not go outside under any circumstances. Close and lock all windows and doors, and barricade them with anything you have on hand, preferably wooden boards or furniture. Isolate yourself and loved ones from the outside world. Shelter in a basement, a room with only one entrance, or in the centermost point of your home. It's highly recommended to keep quiet, as these entities have a near impossible amount of hearing. Arm yourself with any blunt or sharp object, or a legal purchased firearm. The military is currently responding to hotspots of these phone calls about these creatures to take care of them. This concludes this broadcast. Stay safe, stay tuned, stay alert, and have a good night.
The following message is being broadcasted at the permission of the CDRSFS Army, the CDRSFS Defense Branch, the CDRSFS Government, and the CDRSFS President to participate in the CNNBS Emergency Alert System broadcast. This is an update warning. Repeat, this is an update warning to an ongoing situation. Currently, as of 9:55 p.m. CDRSFS time, there were multiple reports of hostile, unknown, pitch-black entities with no visual facial expressions attacking citizens outside their homes and attempting to break into citizens' homes. Currently, the CDRSFS military has managed to neutralize many of these entities in hotspot zones. However, it is advised to still take precautions. 1. Do not go outside late at night alone. 2. Carry any weapon on you to defend yourself if you encounter one of these entities. 3. Do not sleep with doors or windows unlocked or open. 4. Do not run any electronics in loud volumes during the night. It is recommended to wear headphones if you are running electronics at night, or turn the volume down low. However, it is perfectly okay to do all the listed things above during the day, as it's been observed that these creatures are nighttime creatures. However, there have been reports of entities still attacking citizens in dark areas, even during the day. The entities have also shown odd fear of dogs and air raid sirens. For some reason, apparently, the air raid sirens emit such a loud frequency that the creature can become permanently deafened if it stays close to the siren. It's unknown why they fear dogs, though it's speculated because dogs seem to sense when these creatures are around. Including this, the entities have been observed to completely leave alone or ignore young children, toddlers, infants, or teens under the age of 20. It's also unknown why the entities do this. This concludes this broadcast. Stay tuned, stay alert, stay safe, and enjoy your evening.